everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Eduvacancy is hiring for STEM and robotics trainer role. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. Immediate requirement of STEM and robotics trainer in India. STEM and robotics trainer responsibilities are developing STEM curriculum. STEM is science, technology, engineering, mathematics. Planning daily lessons, adopting a data-driven attitude towards measuring learner progress, developing STEM learning activities and hands-on material for classes, attending to individual student needs, demonstrating an awareness of different student backgrounds and cultures, communicating regularly with parents, providing extra support to students who need it, monitoring student growth to identify strengths and areas of improvement, using learner data to constantly refine your curriculum, providing regular feedback to students. STEM and robotic trainer requirements are bachelor's degree in a STEM field, state teaching license in the relevant field, knowledge of STEM best practices, empathy and great interpersonal skills, excellent written and verbal communication, proficiency with basic computer software such as Word and Excel, good classroom management skills, good teamwork abilities. Let us get to know about the company. Eduvacancy is India's first and only platform built for the recruitment needs of the education sector. Eduvacancy is a one-stop recruitment platform which aims to connect skilled individuals looking for employment in the education industry as teachers, directors, principals, vice chancellors, IT professionals, business development managers and admin staff with reputable educational institutions such as schools, K-12 schools, preschools, colleges, private universities, vocational training institutes, test prep centers, coaching institutes and edtech companies. Therefore, Eduvacancy acts as a niche digital platform disrupting a tedious, lengthy and haphazard recruitment process in the education industry. It is the only platform connecting job seekers to job providers directly in the education sector. Top features of Eduvacancy are website and app available to connect candidates to educational employers directly. Eduvacancy covers each and every spectrum of the education sector. Look for all teaching, non-teaching jobs on Eduvacancy. Hiring simplified for education institutes and provide them quality candidates for their organization. Video resumes communicates far more than a paper resume. You can read more about them here. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button, fill the application form and submit it. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर it with your friends and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.